Okay, so welcome back. I'm going to do a huge giveaway for everybody in April, all right? 3,000 bucks worth of giveaway. Okay, there are a few things you need to do so you can get this money and it's not so hard. Now, if you've been following me, thank you so much. And don't forget that I'm doing giveaways pretty much for almost 65 weeks. I'm doing a lot of donations in the Philippines, Africa, and India. Go and watch some of the video. It's called More You Give, More You Receive. Now, what you need to do to get these 3,000 bucks. 2 weeks ago, I did a giveaway to just a random video for random subscribers, for random people who leave me a comment. I pick up random video and I just give you like 20-25 bucks. I think it was to 5 people. 4 weeks ago, I did exactly the same. 6 weeks ago, I did exactly the same. Now in April, I'm going to give you 3,000 bucks worth of money. So check this out, what you're going to get and what you need to do. And don't forget, nothing is financial advice. Do your research. It's crypto. You can lose everything or you can make a lot of money. Okay, so this is how you can get the money. Now, Delysium, this is for Delysium. Delysium is extremely hot project. Let me just move my face right here. If you go and see, it's only 400,000 market cap, but the price was only 3 cents, okay? Right here, let me just go a month ago, 3 months ago, okay? It was 0.003 cents, 0.04, and now it's 0.60. Almost 1,200% up. That is crazy. That is crazy. 1,200% up. Delysium, why? Okay, it's exploding. It's AI, okay? They have partnership with Microsoft, and also they have a hot game coming next year. So they have a node, okay? You can go and buy the node and you can make some tokens if you want, great. If not, this is how you can get the money. Okay, this is the things what you need to do, all right? So a few things. First, like and subscribe, okay? That's like, it's a must. Now, you must leave a real comment to every video for this month till I do the giveaway, and that will be somewhere between 1st and 15th of April, okay? So leave a comment. The comment need to be real, what's mean related with the video you're watching. Now, you must join my Twitter and my Telegram. The link is in the description. You must join there, it's no exceptions, okay? And the most important is you must vote and fill the Google form, okay? So there are 4-5 criteria you need to do. If you don't do any of this, you're not qualified, especially this one. If you don't vote and fill the form, the Google form, what is down in the description, you cannot be qualified. Okay, so what is this about? So the Binance future, you need to go and vote. So you must have a Binance account, okay? You need to vote here for Delysium. The link will be in the description. Go and vote, okay? You must have 100 picks right here, okay? It's very simple, it's very easy. Get a Binance account, go and vote right now, okay? Once you vote, fill the Google form. Okay, I will show you the Google form, okay? You must vote right here. It's number 1 for now, but we need to keep this one going. Do you know what does it mean? If Delysium going to get listed to Binance, is going to skyrocket probably a couple of X from now, not financial advice. Now, next thing, this will be the form. You must put here your email address, Delysium account email address, okay? So when you go to Delysium, make sure you signed up, okay? It's very easy. Go to Delysium, where is that website? Go here, go and sign up right here, account setting, DMA, rewards, go here, sign up, okay? And you're going to sign up right there, okay? Now, this will be when you open the Google form. This is what you need to do. Submit picture for proof. Refer to example below, okay? 100 picks that you vote, okay? Right here, that you vote, okay? Now, that's very important. 100 picks allocated, okay? Make sure you have screenshot of this. Once you have that, you add file right here and you submit. Simple as that. We're going to do lucky wheel, okay? I'm going to give you a note. One note for one lucky person. The one note costs $2,500 going to be sent to your wallet. 2,500 bucks, okay? Now, this note, by the way, if you want to buy, go ahead, make sure you use my code because this generates around 20 tokens per day. 20 tokens per day. For the moment, it's $12 per day, okay? Just 3-4 weeks ago, that was only a couple of bucks, and now it's $12. If this hit over $1, maybe $2, it's going to be around $30-40 per day. Just do the maths, okay? That is crazy to run a node. And you know what you need to run the node? You just buy on Binance chain with the USDT, and that's about it, and you hold your wallet. If you want to buy the node, use the code PEPKBD. All right, use this code, very important. And the next giveaway will be, I will give to 10 people 100 tokens. Okay, so there will be 11 winners, as I said. One for a node, this will be the biggest one. I wish I can share, but I can't. And 10 people, 100 tokens each. That's around, at the moment, $60 at this moment when I'm doing the video. If this go to Binance, this can blow up easy couple of X. So we talk about, I don't know, over $200 each, okay? 10 people, 100. Again, go back to the video, take a screenshot, and do whatever you need to do. So make sure you like, subscribe, okay, to the channel. Very important. Go follow my Twitter, my Telegram. Make sure you comment to every video before, from the start of this month to till I'm doing a giveaway. Make a comment, and the comment needs to be related with the video, not just hello, hi, what's up. You know, that's not going to count, okay? And make sure you vote. That's about it. So the few things is going to take you exactly 10 minutes. You can win a couple of $100 or a big note. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Goodbye.